Hey everyone, Josiah Campbell here, Cindy Campbell's husband, and I've been watching my wife unbox ER shipments for over 6 years now, and she's in California this week, so I decided when ours came in, I'd do it my way just a little bit, because I can. So first off, the While Go, this sticker right here saves us over 60% in the year just on shipping and taxes on shipping, and broke it down quickly and looked at what we did the year before. With no While Go, we did 29 shipments for a total of $360, and that's the cost of shipping plus there's tax on shipping, so that ranges anywhere from like $1 to $3 depending on what's shipping and how much it costs. With While Go, which started, we enrolled August 31st last year, so we're still right in the very beginning of it. But with that, it's a flat fee of $129 instead of getting hit every time you get a shipment. And with $129 plus tax, which comes out to $139, you get 12 ER shipments. So every month that shipment is free, and you get 24 quick orders. So if you're like us, you get your ER order and then you have your essential reward points, and when you've been doing it for so long, you get the 25% back in points. So you obviously are always going to have another quick order shipment you want to do, and then throughout the month you're like, oh, I need another shipment. So 24 quick order shipments for free is really gonna, it goes a lot quicker than you think it will. And so just doing the quick math, you get 36 shipments for free. And compared to what we spent $360 before While Go, paying $139. The delta is $220 that we saved. That's 61%. That works out to about 18 bucks a month. So I thought, okay, with $18 extra a month in our budget, because we do a Dave Ramsey zero budget model, what are we going to do with the extra $18? We could pocket that, obviously. But we could also use it to buy lavender, RC. Those are two of our big ones that we're constantly buying, and whenever RC comes in stock, we buy as much as we can. A lot of your Vitality oils, you can easily get one or two for 18 bucks a month, or probably Cindy's favorite. Now that she has an extra $18, she can save up 2 months of that and go to a foot spa up here. And if you've ever done a foot spa, I can't stand having my feet touched by strangers. That's really weird, but she absolutely loves it, and they do the reflexology on your feet, and it's soothing, and it's her self-care whenever she's been on her feet, and enjoys it. So without any further ado, let's get this thing opened up and hope that wasn't too loud. I like to do it that way. No, actually, that's the first time I've ever done it. So in your ER box, you're going to have your invoices. So you can see in here with shipping, 0, which is nice. Essential Edge, Mary Young. So 25 years. That's huge. No other oil company has been around 25 years in the U.S. And so there should be some fun stuff in here to read about. Woo! All right, so I haven't looked at what we got. Cindy typically does it. It's the first of the month when we order it, and then it ships out. So we've never got this before. Organic dried wolfberries. We've bought them at convention, but we haven't ever ordered them, I think, to have delivered here. These are gonna be awesome because our kids love oatmeal, so we can put them in there. Kids love snacks. They're always asking for snacks. These are perfect snack. It's pretty cool. USDA organic. All right, Thieves dish soap. This is a must-have if you're trying to get into the toxin-free lifestyle, because just look at the back of any of your conventional dish soaps and you're going to find all kinds of stuff you don't want. And when you have synthetics coming into your body doesn't know how to process them, so they typically push it out to your skin. So if you're trying to have better-looking skin, which most of us guys don't really notice that, except for when we're like me in our late 30s and we're still getting breakouts. It's like, how did that happen? It's like, I've probably been eating some stuff I shouldn't, and my body doesn't know how to process it, pushes it to the skin. We have 4 kids, and so this foaming soap is really good because a little bit goes a long way because it foams up. So we've got foaming dispensers in all of our bathrooms and at our kitchen. It's, again, I don't care if the kids get this, poured out or whatever, and because it's all completely natural. I don't have to worry about anything crazy in there. No weird fragrances or anything that's harmful. Let's see. Oh, household cleaner. My kids actually help me clean, and if I was cleaning with bleach or any other kind of conventional, I would not want to have them help me clean. But since it's lemon, cinnamon, orange, other things, we've got our little bottles. They help me spray the table down, the counters, and all that, and it's a lot of fun to have them help me out. Toothpaste. We're always going through toothpaste. Little known fact, you can also, well, maybe it's not little known anymore. I think a lot of people are doing this now. You can actually use this as deodorant, just a little on your finger. Some people may think that's gross. Other people think, I've been doing that for years. This stuff's amazing. No fluoride, which is a huge thing because that's toxic, especially for toddlers, anyone 2 years and younger. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, Sacred Mountain. This is one of my favorite blends. So as a soap, it's amazing in the mornings. Went up to the Highland Flats farm up in Idaho, and I was like, why does this place seem so amazing? And it's because a lot of the oils that go into this are bottled up at Highland Flats in Idaho. It's almost to the Canadian border. Looks like a Christmas tree farm. All right, let's see. What we got? Orange, amazing stuff. This is a great one. The Vitality Orange is great to throw in your Ningxia Red to just make it a little more peppy. Tastes really good. Orange is all around a all-star. Digest, not one of the better smelling oils, but amazing whenever you're dealing with any kind of upset stomach or trying to digest something you shouldn't have eaten, which as a guy, I do that often. I shouldn't, but Digest, you rub a little bit on the outside or take it internally. This is Vitality, so you can definitely throw it into capsules. Let's see, Panaway, definitely a VIP whenever you're dealing with working out a lot, or like me, working in the backyard and pushing things and moving things without really thinking or using your legs properly. Panaway is going to help with minor discomforts and pains used. They're going to come around just normal activity. Ooh, Orange Blossom Moisturizer for normal to oily skin. All right, well, that one's for the misses. Orange Blossom is really good with, again, you've got orange. Your body loves orange. It recognizes it. God made it so that your body would recognize it. And when you're using other moisturizers, a lot of it can have like petroleum in it or other synthetics that honestly are doing more harm than good. Citrus Fresh, this is a fantastic one to diffuse whenever we have company over. It's a great one to diffuse in the bathrooms. It's a great one to diffuse just to make your house seem inviting and seem inviting. Your house should, everyone watching this, your house is inviting, I'm sure. Ooh, all right, 15 mil of Longevity. Longevity is amazing. It's basically antioxidants on steroids because you've got clove, thyme, I think orange also, and frankincense, all really high on the ORAC scale. For the guys watching, that's not the ORC scale, it's the ORAC, and I don't remember what that stands for. Basically, you've got a quadrillion antioxidants right in this bottle. And lemon. Lemon Vitality is fantastic. Mix it with some real lemon juice if you'd like, apple cider vinegar, throw it in some water, and if you drink that, it's going to love your liver. It's going to help everything on the inside that's trying to stay balanced and detoxed. Lemon's a great thing to do there. Lemon 15 ml is great to have because you can use it to take stickers off stuff. You can use it just as a powerhouse with a lot of different things in the house. Let's see, bigger tube. What do we got here? Come on. No, Life 9. All right, so 17 billion active cultures right there. I think it's fantastic that I don't have to run to a health food store. This can just get shipped right to me. Once you open this, you want to throw it in the fridge. I take one of these at night before I go to bed. That's a great time to let all those little active cultures do their thing while you're sleeping. And last but not least, our 4-pack of Ningxia Red. So we do the essential oil or essential rewards pack. Most of the time I think we skipped that this time and just went with the 4-pack, and we're gonna get Mindwise sachets, which are little packets. So normally we get the ER pack that has a 30-pack of the Ningxia Red, but we went with the Mindwise last month and we're still working through those. And those are, Mindwise is a great one to give you, you want to take it with some food. It tastes really good and gives you really good, keen awareness of everything going on in your day, so you can go after your goals and stay sharp. So, and that's it. And then kids like to drum with these or yell at their siblings through them, so keep these and have fun. Thanks for joining me on the back of my truck, and hope the chainsaw didn't scare you. Later.